Dinnerly Review. Affordable meals made easy. Hey there, friends. Have you ever found yourself standing in the kitchen, staring at the fridge, wishing dinner could magically appear? Yeah, me too. That's where Dinnerly, a meal kit delivery service that's been making waves for its affordability and simplicity, comes into play. In a world where everyone's scrambling for time while trying not to break the bank, Dinnerly claims to offer a solution. And it got me wondering, are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen and a fortune on groceries? If you nodded, even just a little, stick around. We're diving into what makes Dinnerly tick. Exploring Dinnerly's features. So, what's on the menu with Dinnerly? They've designed a variety of meals that aim to be as easy as pie. From pasta dishes to hearty stews, there's something for everyone. The recipes are straightforward and don't require a culinary degree to whip them up. Each meal is crafted to be prepared in about 30 minutes or less, with minimal pots and pans perfect for anyone who dreads cleanup duty. Pricing and value for money. Here's the exciting part: the price. Dinnerly markets itself as one of the cheaper options in the crowded meal kit space. They manage to keep costs low by cutting back on fancy marketing tactics and excessive packaging. I am talking just the essentials, with digital recipe cards rather than printed ones. Depending on your meal selection plan, the cost can land just under $5 per serving. That's often less than a grande latte, my friends. When you stack that against dining out or even sourcing individual ingredients, it's a pretty sweet deal. Recipe quality and ingredients. Alright, let's talk taste. You might be thinking, just because it's affordable, what about the quality? Well, based on various feedback from users, Dinnerly doesn't cheap out on ingredients. The meals are designed to get your taste buds tingling, with trusted suppliers ensuring fresh produce and quality proteins. Fan favorites include dishes like the smoky paprika chicken and creamy spinach ravioli. They're not just aiming for tasty but also aiming to balance health and indulgence. Customer experience. One of the big wins, and grins, with Dinnerly is their efficient delivery. Their packaging is eco-friendly, which is a win for those of us who are conscious about planet Earth. The user reviews are generally positive, with many highlighting how they love the ease and convenience Dinnerly brings to their weekly meal planning. Oh, and should anything go sideways, their customer support seems to be on the ball, ready to make things right for their subscribers. Pros and cons. Let's get into the nitty-gritty. The pros? It's affordable, approachable, and perfect for quick, hassle-free meals. The digital recipe cards are easy to access and reduce paper waste, a nice nod to sustainability. Plus, it's a godsend for those busy bees who want to spend more time enjoying and less time prepping. But, like anything, it's not without a few drawbacks. Those seeking ultra-gourmet or specialty dietary meals might find the options limited. Also, some users mentioned wishing for slightly larger portions. In wrapping things up, Dinnerly is really bridging the gap for anyone seeking cost-effective meals without dulling their taste buds. It's a balanced offering, and whether you're a novice cook or someone seeking a break from the daily grind, there's a lot to appreciate here. Personally, I think Dinnerly is a fantastic choice for busy folks, families on a budget, or anyone wanting to swap out their takeout habit for something healthier and more budget-friendly. And hey, if you're considering giving Dinnerly a try, why not? You might just find your new weekday hero. If you're curious for more insights or looking to grab some tips on living affordably, don't forget to check out other resources on the blog. Have you tried Dinnerly or other meal kit services? Please share your experience in the comments below. And here's a little nudge. If you enjoyed this review and want more insights on affordable living, subscribe to my channel for more content. Cheers to easier, budget-friendly meals.